Metal cutting bandsaws are a staple in any workshop that regularly handles steel, aluminum, and other tough materials. They offer consistently straight, square cuts with integrated vise-like stability, which is essential when precision matters. For applications ranging from DIY fabrication to small to mid-size professional shop work,
List number 1. VVAR 5-inch Portable Bandsaw. The VVAR 5-inch portable bandsaw pairs a robust 1100-watt 10A motor with a removable alloy steel base, offering both handheld cutting and a base-supported setup for stability. Its claimed cutting capacity without the base is 4.7 x 4.7 inches rectangular and 5 inches round. With the base, 3.9 x 3.2 inches rectangular and 3.93 inches round. This dual configuration approach supports versatility on and off a bench, and the adjustable 0 to 45-degree base angle adds angle cut capability. The brushless-like emphasis in marketing aligns with the design that prioritizes consistent power delivery and reduced maintenance. It ships with a 5-inch blade, a rubberized grip, and a protective blade guard, plus a 45-degree to 90-degree cutting range and a soft grip back handle. Prospective buyers should note it weighs in the mid to upper 20s pounds and relies on a corded 1100-volt supply, with safety features like an adjustable guard to minimize kickback.
List number 2. 10A Variable Speed Metal Bandsaw with Large Workbench. The KFMK MBS 125V presents a 10A motor with a generous 5-inch cutting capacity and a dual workbench system, one large, substantive workbench, and a smaller precision platform. Its adjustable speed is listed as 137 to 472 FPM, intended to accommodate a range of metals and cut conditions. It ships with a stand and features an eye shield for operator safety, signaling a focus on controlling metal chips and vision protection during cuts. The product is designed for workshop and DIY use, with a heavier build, approximately 37.3 pounds, and a footprint that suggests a stable, task-specific machine rather than a portable handheld unit. Performance-wise, the 10A motor delivers solid material removal across steel and aluminum, with speed adjustments enabling finer finishes on harder alloys or quicker passes on softer stock. The large workbench helps handle longer, thicker stock, while the precision bench expands capabilities for small parts and intricate cuts. The trade-offs include a heavier footprint and potentially slower blade change cycles due to the inclusion of a stand and safety features.
List number 3. Wen 9-inch Bandsaw. The Wen BA3959 is a compact benchtop option with a 2.8A motor and a 9-inch width cutting capacity. It offers a bevel capability up to 45 degrees, a 2-year warranty, and comes with a 1/4-inch wide blade, a dust port, a rip fence, and a miter gauge. The 59.5-inch blade accommodates common blades, and the table measures 12 1/4 by 11 7/8 inches, making it a feasible option for small-scale projects in a home shop. The tool is known for exceptional value in this price bracket and offers straightforward operation with basic cut capacity suitable for lighter metals and all-purpose use, including wood, for which it is marketed with a wood-oriented table surface. Performance-wise, the BA3959 offers dependable, predictable cutting with a focus on user-friendly operation rather than maximum raw power. The 2500 RPM blade speed, 3.5-inch cut depth, and 9-inch width allow reasonable-sized parts, with safety and simplicity as top priorities. The 2-year warranty adds reassurance for occasional hobbyists and DIYers.
List number 4. Anvil Portable Bandsaw with upgraded removable alloy steel base. The Anvil R2103 presents a 10A motor and a removable alloy steel base that swivels 0 to 45 degrees, enabling a balance of portability and stability for precision cuts. It ships with a 0.020 by 44 7/8 inch 14 TPI blade and an LED spotlight for improved visibility.
With a cutting capacity of 5 inches without the base and approximately 4 inches with the base, it closely mirrors the competition in terms of practical deep cut capability. The tool emphasizes ergonomics with an ergonomic soft grip and a protective shroud. The base's quick detachment and reattachment support fast transitions between handheld and base-mounted operations. Performance-wise, the 1100-watt motor delivers steady power for metal cutting across materials like steel, aluminum, and PVC. The variable speed dial, 6 speeds, 100 to 350 FPM, allows tailored cuts, while the base's 0 to 45-degree range supports angled workpieces. The included blade and blade change lever emphasize serviceability in the field. User experience benefits from improved balance, safety shrouds, and the ability to switch between cutting modes quickly.
List number 5. Max TT bandsaw with lightweight aluminum base. The Max TT model is positioned as a premium portable option with a lightweight aluminum base, a 10A motor, and an infinitely variable blade speed from 60 to 420 feet per minute. It supports both manual and base-assisted operation, includes carrying wheels for portability, an integrated LED light, and an automatic cut-stop feature that halts the saw after completing a cut. The cutting capacity without base is 120 mm square and 120 mm round, while with base it is 100 by 100 mm square and 115 mm round, indicating robust performance for a portable unit. The 1-year limited warranty complements a feature-rich package, focusing on user convenience and safety with an emergency stop and self-locking switch. Performance-wise, the Max TT's high-amp voter combined with infinite speed adjustment provides strong cutting performance across metals such as steel and aluminum. The portable design, LED illumination, and wheels improve usability in multi-site environments or on a dynamic workshop floor. The auto-stop feature and stable aluminum base enhance cut consistency and repeatability, especially for longer runs.